Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing my mid-monthly reminder for August 2023 challenge. This month's challenge for August 2023 was Disney's Believe in the Magic or Back to School. Thank you to everyone that has already entered this challenge. I will go ahead and link all of those channels down below. You can check them out and become inspired by all of the amazing projects that everyone has been entering. Real quick, let's go through the rules. I'll show the release and I'll show you the project that I created for this month's challenge. Each month I'll be posting a theme and show a project that I made using that theme and showcase the month's release of colored dewdrops. You do not have to mail your project and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, please do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Please tag me at DoubleClick Connect. Use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge. You can enter as often as you would like. The prize is a bag of dewdrops and I will draw a winner at the end of each month. For the month of August, this is the prize, a mixed set of colored dewdrops. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US residents only. However, anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, feel free to follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. You can enter any project with a theme, and if you search my hashtag, you can meet lots of great crafty friends. We also have a guest designer this month. Please go over and visit Christine at Christine's Cards and Things, who has also made a project using the theme of the month. Christine, thank you so much for being our guest designer. I appreciate it so much. Please be sure to give Christine a visit. This month's dewdrops, Believe in the Magic or Back to School, are currently released in my Etsy shop, which is linked down below. The cost is $5 and that includes the shipping. These are the colors that we have for this month. We have this great black, we have this fun red, we have this sweet yellow, and we have this pale blue. I chose my colors off of this Remember the Magic Echo Park paper pad that has the light blue, the black, the red, and the yellow colors. This also are the standard colors for Back to School. I hope you guys will check out my Etsy shop. I have lots of other colors available, and if there is a certain color that you're looking for, you can absolutely send me a message and I'm sure that I can get you the color that you're looking for. Let me show you the project that I made for this month's challenge. At the beginning of the month, I showed this Believe in the Magic Disney card that I created. For this week, I decided to do the Back to School theme, which does not necessarily have to be actually school related. It can be anything back to school, like a pencil, a backpack, books. I chose an apple. I've had this shaker apple for quite some time and I decided to bust it out, dust it off, and make a bag topper for an upcoming swap that I'm in. These two layer dies are a Sizzix nesting die set. I added some small shaker bits as well as some clay apple bits in there. I did use one of my green colored dewdrops as well as one of the reds from this month's release. And that is my entry for this month's Back to School challenge. Please be sure to give Christine's channel a visit. Please stop by my Etsy shop, check out all the colors that I currently have listed, and please join in the hashtag and have some fun. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys!